Good morning, everyone. It's Bobby. I have a new project to share with you. This is called the Pyramid Album. Because of its shape, gives the appearance of a pyramid. It's just basically 7 card bases stacked together, and between each one, on this example, there is a printed piece of cardstock, just to define the layers. I punched out a flower and put a little pearl center in it for the front, and it's just, the ribbon is just held behind the flower. So when you open it up, you have all these little spots for photo mats or journaling. Next layer opens down. Pick it up a little bit so you can see, and it's on both sides. On this one I used Knitwit's collection called Daisy collection. The next one opens up with 2 small flaps, and I don't have any embellishments in this one because it's just basically my prototype. This project was inspired by I think it's called Create with Kaylee. I'll put a link to her website in the description box. This one opens out and opens this way. Next layer, and they get larger, of course. Opens this way, and then we have 2 little flaps. And these I thought would be really cute for the little photos that you get, wallet size ones. If you're at the mall, you know, and you go in one of those photo booths, that's about the size you get. On this one, there's a pocket and a belly band, and then on the last one, there is a space, 10 6x6 spaces on this. It opens out this way, and then opens out, if I get a hold of it, this way. And there's pictures on front and back. And then it just ties back up. And I wanted to make one for our July 4th family outing, so, but I wanted it to be all about the red, white, and blue, so I did not put the cardstock papers, the printed papers, on each layer. I just left it red, white, and blue. And I put a small gusset in each one of these, so that on this one you can see that it's thicker here, flatter over here, and it's just going to get thicker as you add to it. So I wanted to make it more balanced for when I get my photos in it. And on this one I just used baker's twine, 4 different strands of red, white, and blue to tie it up, and it's held behind this little picture. And when you open it up, it's basically the same album. I do have a few tuck spots in this one, not a lot until I get my photos in it. And it opens like this. This time it goes up to the top. Oh, no, it doesn't. It goes down again. Sorry. So you've got 3 more spots here. And believe it or not, in this little album, it will hold 30 to 35 photos and journaling. Alright, the next one is the little 2 small flaps that open this way. I have a tuck spot here. And another one over here. These little button says July 4th. Make sure I stay in frame for you guys. These little tuck spots tabs came with the collection. I thought they were so cute. Well, if I can get underneath it, there you go. And they were blank in here. And on this one I just added the word freedom. This little heart is a tuck spot. It opens this away. Next layer is the little boy with the pinwheel, and he makes a pocket. Another little tab that came with the collection, and it is, I put Independence on it. This is the one with the 2 little small tabs for flaps. And this one is the pocket. Got a firecracker on there, the belly band. And then on the last one I changed this one up a little bit. I made some of the flaps smaller, and it opens like this. And Knitwit gives you paint chips with each one of their collections. I think they're so cute. This one says Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Happiness. And then I have another one of their little tabs here. I put July 4th on this one. I have a flag for a tuck spot on this side. and then the word America that came with the collection, and I just rounded the corners and put it down here in the center. And it closes up like that. And that's the little July 4th album. Isn't it cute? I just love this little thing. I think just because it's so different, it's kind of fun to create something that's different than what we normally make, you know. It is an album, but it's a different sort, different type. It was kind of fun, so I hope you enjoy it. I would appreciate hearing your comments. Let me know if you'd like it and what you think. Alright, I will talk to you soon. Oh, by the way, the tutorial will be posted at the same time as this, and I have a cut list for you that I will post with my in the description box of this video. I'm lost for words this morning. It's still early. Alright guys, thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.